So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length copper colored hair. Oh, wow. Gorgeous Pixie haircuts. I love her hair color. This is just stunning. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have yet another stunning Pixie makeover. I love the amount of fullness that this has. The shape and texture is just so pretty. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she got a bit of a wolf cut here. Very nice shape and texture, or a layered bob haircut. Full bangs in the front. Very nice. So much volume within that style. Wow, unreal. So then we move on to the next hair transformation. Beautiful layered bob, full bangs in the front, gorgeous, very nicely done. Then we have another long to short transformation. Wow, look at this bob. Oh, I love the dramatic angle that this has, the overall shape. This is just breathtakingly gorgeous. Very nice. And then we see someone with hair just around the shoulders. Looks like she's going to be getting some color. And a bit of a cut, very nice. Center part down the middle. She can wear it to one side or the other. Such a carefree style. And then we have another Pixie makeover for the last transformation. So she starts off with hair just around the shoulders, and bam, beautiful reddish brown pixie cut. I love it. All right, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.